Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Salary Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
We are all seeing the exit polls. So, how are you looking at these numbers and what are the indications you have got from these numbers?
I don't look at the exit polls. My exit poll is really talking to the candidates who have in the last 3 weeks spoken to the booth workers, spoken to the people. And we are confident that the people of Goa have given us a simple, clear majority. We have no plan A and plan B because it will not be a hung house. And we have said, even if we have a clear majority, we would like to take all the non-BJP parties together.
And MGP right now seems to be the kind of the kingmaker or somebody who is holding all the cards right now. How are you looking at MGP?
See, MGP has had a bitter experience with the BJP. An effort to talk to the MGP, and MGP has also made an effort to talk to us. And the indications we are getting is the MGP would like to be on our side. I hope that the BJP will respect the verdict of the people of Goa this time. They will not try to tinker or upturn the verdict of the people of Goa. Secondly, the BJP must realize what they did in 2017-19 brought great shame to the reputation of Goa. If they have any respect for the verdict of the people of Goa, if they have any concern for the reputation of Goa, I hope they will not attempt to repeat the kind of things, the shenanigans they did in 2017-19. And anyway, even if they try, they will not succeed.